Hello everyone. We are discussing second program of CN Lab, that is 4-node point-to-point network using TCP and UDP agents. So here also you are going to determine the number of packet drops by using the agent TCP and UDP. Earlier in the first program, we have seen the number of packets dropped by using only UDP. Here both agent we are using, and we are going to see the number of packet dropped here. Okay, everything is similar, only the little bit change is that you need to append the agent TCP here. Okay, so similarly here you need to define the simulator, which simulator you are using, and you need to open the NAM and the trace file, and whatever the variables you are using, just to globally declare them in this procedure, and clear all the previous trace file contents by using this flush trace, and close the NAM and the trace file. And how many number of nodes you have taken, those numbers you need to define. Okay, then you need to create the link between them with the allocating the same bandwidth. There we have taken the variable bandwidth, but here it is bandwidth allocated is same for all duplex links and drop tail with the queue size. Okay, then you need to agent the append the agent TCP here. Okay, so here the agent TCP transmission control protocol you are going to append. How to append, which syntax you are going to use, that already I told in the first program. Just you need to do like that only, same and same TCP and UDP you need to append. Okay, then if you are using the UDP, then you need to define the destination as a null, and if you are using the TCP you need to define the same. Okay, then file transfer application protocol you are applying for transferring the files. Okay, transferring the files in the application layer of the OSI. And here also you are using the constant bitrate traffic, and here at the end you need to define the start time of the simulation and stop time of the simulation, just to finish the program and try to run. Just you have to type this program in the same folder. Already we have created the folder in the root home of a NS simulator. Okay, so that is 6th SEM. Okay, in the 6th SEM another one folder you have created, a lab 2. In the lab 2, here your T cells program is there. Here the same program I have typed, and the same, just I need to type, I need to here I need to know the type the sorry, I need to run the program for to see the whether the program is having any errors or not. Just to desktop in the terminal and set the path here, cd space 6th sem folder. Okay, then list the programs available in this one, it is there. Then cd lab 2. Okay, then list the program available in that one. Already I've seen the whether it will works or not. So once you will run the one TCL file, along with that you are going to get the one NAM and the trace file. Okay, so here just to run the program, for that you need to type the syntax ns lab2 dot tcl. Then you will get the animation window NAM file. Just to play it, then you will come to know the how the packets are transmitting between the 4 nodes with this topology, and how many number of packets were dropped by using the TCP and UDP protocol you are going to see in this one. Once you will run this, along with that you are going to get the one NAM file and the one trace file in that same folder. Okay, so here the trace file is very large, so but you are unable to count, already I told. So for that, if you want to know, count the number of packet dropped by using the this TCP and UDP, for that you need to type the one AWAC script. Okay, it is a scripting language. You are writing this in the C. See here, this is the AWAC script. Just to open the one notepad and type it and paste in that same folder with the file extension .awk. See, begin there it was count only, but here you need to begin with the count using the both present UDP and TCP with the starting of the trace file to end flush trace file. Then you are going to count the number of packet dropped by using this TCP and UDP. Sorry. By that you are at the end you are going to type the how many number of packet, print or type how many number of packets are going to drop. So this is the simple way of writing this Awk script. Once it is to be done, then just to go back to there, I need to run this. Okay, a syntax is this: awk space hyphen f, file name is lab2.awk. You need to connect or relate this awk script with your trace, then only you will get the number of packet dropped. Okay, so the trace file name is lab, whatever the trace file name you have given in the program, that file name only here you need to type. Okay, but here we are getting the some fatal error. Okay, just once again we have to look into that one, why it is coming. Just once again I will type this awk space sorry, I have typed their lab 1, so for that we are getting the error. Lab 2 awk space lab 2 dot tr. Okay, see here you are going to get the automatically number of packet dropped by using the TCP and UDP. By using the TCP you are having the packet sent is 676 and the packet sent by using the UDP is 0, and the acknowledgement means how many number of packets you are acknowledging. See, you have sent 676 but you are getting only received are 657. So the difference of these two are going to get the number of packet dropped by using the TCP. Okay, but the packet sent by the UDP is 0. There will be no question for dropping the packets for the UDP. Okay, we will continue third program in the next lab.